Hey scientifically viewers, welcome back to another video. First off, we will look into what would happen if Pluto hit the Earth. Imagine you're sitting at home drinking a nice cold glass of wine. You look up and you see Pluto hurling towards our planet. What would happen? What would you do? Hopefully humanity never has to answer this question. However, in today's scientifically video, we're going to explain what would happen if Pluto hit the Earth. Stick around until the end. You may be surprised. First off, a little bit about Pluto. It's a dwarf planet in the Kuiper belt, a ring of bodies beyond the orbit of Neptune. It is the 9th largest and 10th most massive known object directly orbiting the Sun. It is also commonly called a small planet because its diameter is tiny. It's only 2,377 kilometers, much smaller than all other planets and stars. So what happens if this dwarf planet hits the Earth? It would create an unbearable force on the Earth, which will cause chaos and destruction. The whole Earth will be shaken. This will cause a terrible storm of rocks that will destroy everything on Earth in a brutal fashion. There will be dust and dirt everywhere, which will make it impossible for any human being to survive on Earth. All the rivers, seas, and water reserves will be completely dried up because the heat will increase to a dangerous level, which will cause the water to dry up completely. Temperature will rise up to 3,000 degrees Celsius. This will cause the Earth to melt completely. The intensity of the heat will melt all the metals inside the Earth's crust, which will cause the temperature to rise further, making it impossible for any organism to survive at all. Life of any kind along with its home of planet Earth will be finished forever. Thanks for watching today's video. Please consider subscribing so you never miss an upload.